is a turning point in everyone's life. I resigned from the scientific post at BARC Mumbai to stay with my in-laws, moved to a small town in Uttar Pradesh, Prayagraj. You must be crazy to go retro, said many. From a professional to a full-time homemaker, life wasn't easy. I had to learn everything I dreaded in life, from cooking to managing the household, taking care of the child and the elderly in the joint family. I dedicated my 3 years to. My zeal to move beyond the household pushed me to take up education after a 12 years of gap. My son went to school and I cracked the entrance for MSc. Switching from radiology to nutrition, I had to embrace biochemistry, the subject I dreaded the most. I completed my post-graduation with distinction. You must be moving to bigger cities to practice nutrition, they said. I stayed back and helped many transform their lives through my knowledge of nutrition. I was a speaker at the International Obesity Congress, Philadelphia in 2018. The girl from metro to retro was now global, with clients from Australia to the US and pan-India. In the entire process, I embraced and endured my fears, and they stand as my strength today.